Hello, hello. What are today's messages? Let's pick some cards. Vortex of creativity. Spiral into your creative vortex, unleashing imaginative power to manifest your dreams into reality. Ignite creation. Harness innovation, fuel imagination, and witness manifestation as answers unfold in your journey of discovery. Smiles. Smile at someone. Look them in the eye and see an amazing human creation. Miracles are everywhere in the form of you and every person you meet. 5656. Peace. I cultivate peace within myself. My thoughts, actions, and surroundings are filled with tranquility. Peace flows through me, bringing calm and serenity to my life. And our quotes today. How to start inner healing. Listen to yourself and what's happening around you. Meditate. Build a new set of caregivers. Try inner child therapy. Reimagine your childhood. Talk to your loved ones and remember how to play. If someone is judging you, that's their problem. Don't make it yours. Mel Robbins. Respect a person for who they are rather than who you hope they'll change into. The world exists as you perceive it. It is not what you see, but how you see it. It is not what you hear, but how you hear it. It is not what you feel, but how you feel it. Rumi. How to let go of being sad. Look closely at the feeling, but don't act on it. See if you can take a step back from the feeling to see it more clearly. Paying attention to how you feel can help you accept the emotion and then give yourself permission to let it go. Try journaling what you notice. And the last one today. Life will show you different shades at different times. Each shade will give you different experiences. Make sure you learn from all of them. All right, thanks for stopping by. Adios. Hello, hello. What are today's messages and what do we need to hear today? I accept my uniqueness. There is no competition and no comparison, for we are all different and meant to be that way. I am special and wonderful. I love myself. 36. Cook up a storm made from scratch. Treat yourself or a loved one to a home-cooked meal. Make it fun and bond by inviting others to join in the process. What are you cooking? Yum! And what else do we need to hear today? 2727. Awareness. I am fully aware and present in every moment. I observe life with a clear and open mind, gaining insights and understanding. My awareness guides me to make wise choices. Say to yourself, it is easy to vibrate at my highest level. Every day, I get better and better at it. What else do we need to hear today? Right track. You're going in the right direction. So keep moving forward. Steady progress. Patience is your ally. Celebrate each step forward, no matter the size. Share a list of positive moments you'll never forget. I could go for some beach right now. Enough. May you be exactly as you are. And the last card for today. Sometimes all we can do is try to allow the unknown to unfold on its own. Alrighty, what are today's quotes and messages? Remember, a bad day does not mean a bad life. You can't give away what you don't have. Absolutely. You enhance who I already am. If you're happy, then happiness is easily expressed by you to those around you. Same with anger. Does feeling the way you do currently help you feel good, peaceful? You are not alone, and there is support to help you. Thank you for being and accepting of me. If they refuse to be held accountable, they shouldn't be in your life. If you're thankful, show it. And the last one today. People who avoid their own feelings will neglect yours. All right, thanks for stopping by. Adios, amigos. Hey, 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 what are today's messages? Let's pick some cards today and see what we get. The most wonderful gift you can give is you being you, your beautiful, true self. And what else do we need to hear? My work is deeply fulfilling. Today, I give my best to that which I do, knowing that when one experience is complete, I am led to even more fulfilling and rewarding experiences. Number 27, the 12 chakras follow your ascension path. It's okay to set boundaries. Your mental health matters. And the last card for today. Try your best to trust the answers that live within you. And today's quotes. Let's try this one. How to find out what your life lessons are. 1. What has been your biggest struggle? Remember that one person's struggle can be another person's strength, which means they've already learned that lesson. 2. What has been your biggest repeating pattern? When issues arise and continue to repeat, it means you haven't yet learned that lesson, and that's why you chose to bring it back again until you do. If you want to be happy, have zero expectations of others. Take 100% responsibility for your life and be grateful for what you have. Make an excuse to be happy right now and start painting with those thoughts. Your life is art, a work in progress at that. And it's only complete when you're dead. Every day is a new day to see it the way you want. Signs you're in survival mode. 1. You feel overwhelmed. You have high anxiety. You feel disconnected. You feel stuck or hopeless. You feel chronic focus, fear, asking for help. And how do you get out of it? Do life inventory, learn triggers, movement and releasing, find your support, connect to you, learn new ways of doing things. And the last one today, somewhere a tree remembers you because it enjoyed your company. Somewhere a dandelion is alive, feeding a bumblebee because you blew on it. We all make a difference in the world. For most of us, it's a tiny difference. But oh, how adorable that difference is. All right. Thanks for stopping by. Adios, amigos.